For the first time since 2021, we have a brand new producer pack in GarageBand for iOS. What's included, how does it sound, and should you be excited? In the Kount producer pack, you will find over 250 Apple loops and 3 new drum kits. To grab this new producer pack, head to the sound library from GarageBand's instrument select screen. Then tap on the Kount producer pack and then either preview it or hit Get to add it to your GarageBand sound library. Canadian producer Koal Harrison, aka the Kount, is best known for his unorthodox approach to loop and sample creation. You might well look at this new pack and wonder if a bunch of new Apple loops is anything to get particularly excited about. Well, the loops in this pack don't really sound like anything else currently available in GarageBand's sound library. There are 3 new drum kits in this pack that you can either load up into GarageBand's drum pad interface to finger bash a drum beat together manually, or load them up in the beat sequencer. It's worth noting that all 3 of these kits have their own unique beat sequencer patterns too. These beats skew more towards lo-fi electronic and R&B, which is a nice change of pace from many of the other packs available. As I mentioned, the 250 plus Apple loops that come with this pack sound quite a bit different from other loops available in GarageBand. The sounds here were gleaned from the Kount's own personal collection of samples, and you can really tell. They lack a lot of the professional sheen and polish that a lot of the Apple-made sounds have, and are all the better for it, I think. You have access to a good selection of beats and percussion sounds. And some really lovely lo-fi infused synth and instrument sounds. You can really quickly put together some interesting projects with the available Apple loops in this pack. drum kits are always a really welcome addition, especially when they're as unique as the ones on offer here. But how much mileage you'll get from the 250 plus new loops well depends on whether you like to work with samples or not really. Having said that, the samples in this producer pack are unique enough that I'd recommend downloading and having a dig through anyway, as everything here sounds great. That is the Kount producer pack. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and if you could give that like button a wee festive slap on the way past, I'd really appreciate it. To find out a bit more about the other producer packs available in GarageBand for iOS, watch this next.